passage of the Sports Development Fund and now Parliament, and so editum no now for the second discussion no will be the Ghana Premier League weekend so assign at us, which is week 15 na yedi games in Hong Kong edi amamo na said yedi kan bobo so di kan di amamo no asin the Sports Development Fund and they ano na ebeye siachi bande ama yen sports no na ebani sikasem etimi apushi so because your get fana I mean no education and also boy ye the schools de a big push at the man education afen na sports so no yenya yenso ye fana ye feel say and don't bet me aboa because Saudi minister and obia I mean stakeholders at the man yen sports na obia say unhia ay atu say and which yenina no eyenimsem say adia ba ko pa eye problem adema ya agudie no eye founding sikasam eye problem pa ekwan ya be so a yebenya sika ede awura ya agudie mu nsem no eno etitu entina yebedi eye sankomi na ebra parliament and so ege eye Sport Development Fund no ede atum yentie kakra na afi yemhe mese enne no sawasha eye 25-page document awa edoso pa baba yebeyi na kwa so da ye didi nkomo no ba ko mienu sa kopem se yebedi nkomo no and so ede awie but and then no the prominent issues and of course the source of funding and now fe yebesa so how feasible aye and how sustainable and so ebetimi aye no eno ene aye enkoma yebedi and so aye show but before no yentie ebra parliament and so pass this bill na yemfa ending common no emfa entwaso
members motion move and seconded it is for the constitution of the house. I will therefore put a question. As many as are in favor of the motion number 31 at page 16 of the main order paper say aye. Those against say no. The ayes have it. The motion is adopted.
An act to establish the Ghana Sports Fund to provide sustainable funding for sports development in the country and sports for development, to provide for the management of the fund and for related matters.
Honourable members, the Ghana Sports Fund Bill 2025 is duly read for the third time and pass.
Okay, enti ano ayensema PM our parliament bra. Na no other minister at the Ekoto parliament nim so omontrase na omo and deliberate on the matter. Na say parliament be dia tuma because or the backing at the free cabinet. Na so omo gituma abayamra no mampani at the pen paper so assign afi etimi ababoa ma yen sports no and so etimi akọ aye enkan na honorable Asifa sorry Asifa after say ye pass aye bill no ono so den sam kakra de tudana afi yem family yen komo no.
Right, Honorable Speaker, it is clear that in this our country as we speak, when it comes to resources that are supposed to be used to fund our sporting activities, you don't need a soothsayer to tell you that we have a huge challenge. Right, Honorable Speaker, let me bring your mind to even the Ghana Premier League as we speak. It is one of the most unattractive sporting activities even in Africa. The growing unattractiveness is because of lack of funding. Today, in this room, if we ask ourselves how many of us can mention about 6 football clubs that plays in the Ghana Premiership or Ghana Premier League, it is going to be very difficult for us to be able to mention 6 of them. This is because funding that is supposed to be available to be able to boost morale in terms of the Ghana Premier League is one of it. We believe that we need to pass this sports fund urgently so as to make resources available for our football fraternity.
Okay, enti Tafu MP Honorable Asifa na de san comedy to da na Honorable Asemsame Bonitofa or say so ba Ghana ha unhia obi asabe oyesu say so obi a nani hu de ye tie ye hu bi unhia sa nipa no ansa no say Ghana your problem pa is kasem yen sports na enko yini nyina na osite ye Ghana Premier League na as an example o say hwe ye league na amamfo ni nyi hu ni nyina no aye because teams no ana clubs no omu ni sika enti ama ade no brand na kasa the brand GPL no enye nipa akodo eno mako stadium akohwe a games no now say ono kind of even parliamentarians are not sabre omo parliament no obu say parliamentarians say yen teams here about Ghana Premier League go be more 5 finances grab day because omu follow because of say kasam aya ade a problem pa eno nti na o say parliament animu na we aya ade o say parliament aya ne ntam no mu gitum say ne be a ye betimi anya sika kakra na yen sports no yetimi ade awuram ama bibia yetimi akonkan na ye Ghana Premier League ni titiru etimi asaba ba ya kono say de na kane no amanfo ko stadium ntem no makohwe omkotoko no mhaase no eno nso etimi asan ababa kibiem eno nti na very urgent so say parliament sa de amuso gitum His Excellency John Dramani Mahama nso no ade aye pen secretary so ma bibia no aye kama now to aye me question amibisa obia ene besma ko su bempa Ayala aye the source of aye funding no because say okay 25-page document na document no abobo so baby ye be pesika no enso edi afi emnim say ye dia Ayala and obia wa kind document no ya hwa kakra ya kinkan bia me question mibisa wo what kind document no be and say how feasible and baby omuso ye benya sika no de afi no abeye and afi aye sustainable ana aye ade a ebetimi dan den na no ebetimi ama ye sika no ama yetimi ade push yen sports no and then question mibisa what kind document and na Bismarck ozu ben parliament say odi ebewuram na yedin komo no enso edi ama etiefo nti aya yenwura man na yenhwe finally odi ade a wa champion ya fedie say the na open no etimi abembat minim say baby a onso ye interested pa no aye kwan a the source no baby e benya sika no de afri na pushi ade no na yemfa eni aye nkomo no
Rich. To be honest with you, me dear, meniaji.
Okay.
Mankana meboa. Meniaji pa. Say, at least we have a certain document to work with. And send any growing policy be out here no. Menim say aba fufure ye ko yanim ni nyina no na ye tenetene no ma bi say na be it can be perfect and my concentration enya the criticism to the policy now.
Okay,
but my concentration and say yenim say ayeden ya we will do amendments, we will do ye be some na fine tune ade no. But the bottom line and they say it is so refreshing. Say we have something to work with. And then can say the moment His Excellency the President John Dramani Mahama ebe a penny signature say Kim Anya Shekra starting from 2026 Rich your futubia
ade be boy sports hombra
sikan kakra ko tum na ye sporting industry no etimi apply for sika na ye dey to ye sports mumpo that fundamentally makes me cry happy see about do some point way. Some of us have been one-man campaigners for this for well over 10 years. And the Abba say, you know, I can't express manager with my facial expression, but Rich, within me, I am very, very happy. Now, fund, you know, you better whole board no be yen juma those are the management for the management of the funds. But Rich, there are two very, very critical points for any discussion in Goa, because when you say you have subsequent discussions. Two critical points in they say any funding policy it is incumbent on the policy to be designed in a way, Rich, the sources of funding will either directly or indirectly be the same sources of almost makes me apply for the fund. The best I can say a both for Toby. Now you say your source to South for Tono, Ayala Botomua. And you see, yes, you can do yes. Yempe kwaya this canon. Ebe boy Ayala man watch me, and yes, you can be near Konibotomua. Yakoyesika de arotu futuonim. And for instance, say Oshe all the departments of the funding now. We must also be very, very critical and careful, say, for sustainability sake, the application of Omomenya Sofasono must go along the sources of the funds. Now, Rich, yes, that's in new komo for Omomutie, no. Sports fund na yesi ediaba no. Ehemfa ana parliament e ka kire yen say ye benye sika e de ato futuo nim. Rich, die dikai. Omo say ye benye sika from parliament. And sika from parliament and say in the reading of every budget. Senior Ayana finance minister bejina ono oboy akọ sika na or to the sika say na eco agriculture, sika say na eco education, sika say na eco aha, sika say na eco aha no. According to the sports fund bill no, Rich, almost say if free is a jitumne eco anymore, there must be money allocated within parliament for allocated budgetary allocations, you know. Ebia, I was say abai eye conscious. So all this kind of okay. Enti, for example, say you are to force an finance minister Begina Parliament the next reading of the budget. We will expect him to mention a figure. So yeah, we are calling Mexican.
He says
sports fund for him. That is very, very important. The atosum you know. And this has been something Obia Onimibia have known, have advocated for. Rich in every country. Omo eye careful about so omo peska de abo sports ho by our sports lotteries. Eye lotto any games specifically.
Because we know say special.
Yes, from the sports ministry and NLA national lottery. Sa lotto ni de sika bia free sa lotto ni mu babia no echo straight into sports football ni. Enti we should expect say the ministry any NLA from next year si ajutuma will introduce lotto and no dey say Ghana ni bia utwa bia ubediska lotto no sika bia ye pe bia no go straight into the fund, comes up. It is done everywhere in the world. Brazil, England, munyina, they have it. Rich, then the third one. Almost say, gaming commissioner, almost regulatory body now, almost share gaming so no. Yaka gaming, yaka sports betting, any sa lotto ne, almost yes I no money nyina no. Aya under gaming commission. Na abai ebe share gaming commission for say taxes omuji free sports betting companies for no one. So this one is specific to sports betting companies. Enti tax are bet to etia, tax are other betting companies etia gaming commission. Tax are any company be a forming under gaming. Name related to sports betting biano.
10%.
Sa tax in muno, emu 10%. Ya fango to futu we say bam. Now, Rich, I think say, and I don't know the minds, but I am say what the Gaming Commission can do, and he said with the sports betting, they must engage the betting companies and tell them the GCC, you know, yeah, the kakra ka ho. Na kakra no aboa ma 10% na ye be say de koto for nim no emu ayedu. But at least that is what Abai is proposing. Say a gaming commissioner or a regulatory body for all the gamers now more chroma no more register near more certificate to operate no or more taxes or mutiano. Specifically or more betting companies no tax or mutiama gaming commission emu 10% ebe kwa koto for nim. Now Rich, one with the function statement of Siebo game bia or Ghana ha gate process no almost say move 5%. And also so I've got that sport fund.
Yeah.
Anti blast us games. Enemy is sure say facilities owned by the NSA. Gate process you know, move 5% will go straight into the betting fund.
And almost 3% of profits derived from transfers.
Yes, and I can buy boss.
And outlets.
Say you know. Say your transfer player be and our athletes be from any federation within Ghana. And you ever say koto Adriana Stars player. Sa transfer no process na e better so koto tenedu if Lagos cities 100,000 Ghana cedis. Sa process no I was calculated 3% of it na ye de koto futu anim. Say kotoko anasa has a ton player say sani ako Europe. Sa sika na ye transfer kono so emu 3%. E was say yete near the koto futu anim. And the transfer of athletes within and outside Ghana yinano. Almost say emu 3% ye beko. Now 2% of every sports sponsorship. And yete you see oh Blasters and your sponsor from company A, company B. You see Black Meteors, Black Queens, and your sponsor from company A, company B. So sponsors now almost only sponsor any sporting discipline in Guadia. Sika wuchie di ama omono emu 2%. Rich, we will calculate it and put it into the sports fund. Now, I have very, very important to me. And I hope that later enko cause any chaos. Rich, almost say oye athlete, oye coach, oye management. Na oba national assignment, whether national cricket team, national table tennis team, oba Blasters, oba Black Queens, oba under 17, oba Meteors. Se oba national team be o Ghana ha. Bonuses are chia edema athletes ni coaches ni administrators no Rich emu 5%. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Na ye de akoto futu ani.
Me gaze e kan document no production. And only ade ba ko. Ni e kan wa say e. We have a bono ya so continue.
Now Rich, they are also they say all your federations ni na obi oba qualify ko competition bia se abanti sika yebo ewo o qualification any sika yebe bo ewo o ko participate na sika bia ubetimi dia bro man ni bia no also go straight into the sports fund. So for example, Blasters Elkobo World Cup yebo qualifiers and you qualify you qualify no FIFA say okay by virtue say qualify for the World Cup no or my 1.5 million for preparation. Or we are the moment we make appearance at the World Cup or my 9 million. Now according to this fund no Rich e kebia yebo Blasters oh ye na etuamo mo kwa etuamo yetetia na yetisika omube here for the tournament no every mu a kebia no straight into the sports fund. which is very, very good. And I pay Manchester Sports Minister Eka Olav FM say they needed to have the benevolence of the finance ministry. And almost any problem, Monfa. And a woman say, yes, that's here in a bobacano. But see, it's me qualify near Conquad, yes, it can be a free my babyano. Your mama, when say, Monfanco to Sports Development Fund. Now, Rich, there is this 5% on certification of athletes, any federations, any club equipment, any no. Look, the simple explanation, and they say, yeah, register players, yeah, register athletes. Saa sikan kitin na ye tuatuani nyina no almost say 5% ebe ko akokoto futuani. Now this is where my biggest achievement ever. And I am dead because these things have been things we have been advocating for. Rich, almost say alcoholic beverages no. Say you be left ban on more adverts no. Now you left ban na advert bia any beverage company bia in relation to sports because you left ban no for sports adverts no quantity no advert bia 10%.
It makes sense.
It makes so much sense.
Ayala minu say there bia ye advert mo bi there but there a year they sheti a Premier League they do alcoholic beverages. They do real anopaw. They do it, including our own boss. Yes. They do. See, they didn't Ghana and Kwade. They say a ban for what? But Rich, anopaw. Na me ba ejumana me ne dela. Na me busano say. In interviewing the sports minister, Rich, a woman said we've gotten the idea said you better left ban on adverts now. But Rich, in lifting the ban now, are we going to also lift the ban on the timing of the adverts? Because and you say ultimately alcohol adverts I just say free 80 day call. What you say? But there was a ban on specifically on sponsor sports. And Obuasi be testing team because I sponsor Kotoko. Me sponsor Ghana Premier League, me sponsor we. Now you have left this ban no. But what about the timing? Because me gidi say to maximize this 10% from the lifting of the adverse, Rich, they must also lift the timing. Say the beverages bebre they are ready to so be invest to musica. Now this go bebre. Sikam ta. Oh you need now 10%. Industry musica ta. They are ready to invest. But this was hindering. But Rich, to maximize it, sikana taho okofa. But say the bia ubeje sikano dudu pana uji so obejano. We must also leave the time. Say the bia unim say this technically can even mean say Rich Asia Power Sports within from Anopa to enumerate 8. Maybe you can sponsor any program on radio except sports program because I know penny you left it ban no. Rich, so man left the time now come. How would they be able to maximize it area? Again, sporting events be brainano. Rich, how many times you ever Ghana after 8? And I hear any sporting event after 8. And to maximize it, you know, area. I was saying to me, can once I'm say, I have some beverage way and I sponsor the sporting activities. And I just hope. And also, the last two, the last two, the investments are in any fund, Biano, Rich, Sikani Bemua, they also invest. Into Senate Crano, your contributions to Senate also invest in other investments, and a bet compound this Sikano, not yetimi and grants, donations, and gifts. So these are the proposed sources of funds. And I think, say, Rich, it covers everywhere. Me in my last 10 years of campaign, I have proposed and say policies are always meant to be amended as we go along.
nti yɛ kɔ ne nyinaa no we will be able to go through the documents and come and give education on Saturday, and I think that this
America Crano and the Ghana Premier League in ne Bechem United air ball all blacks na a china a Adriana Betina Doma a train